Buckle up, crazy auto fans. Today, we're taking a Buckle up, crazy auto fans. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Mazda CX-60 plug-in hybrid. A game changer that fuses Japanese precision with electrified power. Starting at 46,475 pounds, this SUV isn't just about luxury. It's Mazda's most powerful production car ever, with a 5-star Euro NCAP safety rating and up to 39.77 miles of pure electric range. Let's start with the award-winning KODO design. The base exclusive line rolls on 18-inch gray alloy wheels with LED headlights and body-colored wheel arches. Step up to the Homura, and you get 20-inch gloss black wheels, black mirror caps, and a honeycomb grille with dark chrome accents. But the Takumi? Oh, it's next level. Diamond-cut 20-inch alloys, bright chrome window surrounds, and a luxury spec front grille. And check this out. Adaptive LED headlights on plus trims actually bend around corners for night driving. Around back, you've got signature LED taillights, a hands-free power liftgate, and dual exhaust tips hinting at the beast underneath. Plus, Homura Plus Takumi Plus add privacy glass and a panoramic sunroof. Because why not? Open the door and boom, you're hit with Japanese craftsmanship. The exclusive line gets synthetic leather seats, but the Homura upgrades to suede inserts, ventilated front seats, and 3-stage heated rear seats. The Takumi? White Nappa leather with contrast stitching, maple wood trim, and ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. And the ergonomics? Perfectly tuned for the driver. Mazda calls it the Jinba Itai, horse and rider philosophy. Here's the party trick. The driver personalization system uses infrared cameras to recognize your face and auto-adjust the seat. Steering wheel, mirrors, HUD, even your favorite music and climate settings. It's like your car knows you. Asterisk. Under the hood lies Mazda's first plug-in hybrid powertrain. A 2.5-liter 4-cylinder Skyactiv G engine, paired with a 129-kilowatt electric motor and a 17.8 kilowatt-hour battery. Total output? 327 horsepower and 500 newton-meters of torque. Sent through an 8-speed automatic and iActive Audi. Mash the pedal, and you'll hit 62 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds. Faster than a BMW X3 XD RIV E30E. Asterisk asterisk. Switch between 5 drive modes via Mi Drive, EV mode for silent. Zero emission commutes. Sport mode sharpens throttle response and holds gears. Mode unlocks that 2,500 kilogram raked towing capacity. Yes, it can haul a horse trailer. Now, the tax-saving magic. WLTP fuel economy. 201.8 miles per gallon. CO2 emissions. Just 32 grams per kilometer. That's a 9% benefit in kind rate for 2025-26. Real-world tip. Charge nightly. And most drivers will never touch petrol on sub-40-mile trips. Even in hybrid mode, we saw 80-plus mpg in city testing. 12-speaker Bose surround system with audio pilot 2 noise compensation. Wireless, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and dual USB-C ports. TAKUMI Plus adds a 360-degree camera with transparent hood view. Perfect for off-roading, cruising and traffic support. CTS, semi-autonomous steering, acceleration, and braking in traffic jams. Safety, top marks, emergency lane keeping with road keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. Mazda radar cruise, control with stop and go for traffic. And Mazda backs it all with a 3-year unlimited mileage warranty, plus 8-year battery coverage. Asterisk. So is the 2025 Mazda CX-60 PHEV the ultimate premium hybrid SUV? For design, tech, and tax savings, we say yes. Drop a comment below, smash that like button, and subscribe for more crazy car reviews. Until next time, keep it electric.